Dogs have a different digestive system from humans. This means that some foods that are safe for people can be harmful or even very dangerous for dogs. However, many human foods are also safe for dogs and can provide important nutrients and health benefits. Here, we look at which people foods are safe for dogs and which not to feed them. Before we start, make sure to subscribe. Which human foods can dogs eat? While many people foods are safe for dogs, they should generally only eat in moderation. Human foods that are safe for dogs include carrots. Carrots are a healthful food for dogs. Chewing on carrots can help remove plaque from their teeth and otherwise promote good dental health. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin A, which is beneficial for a dog's immune system, skin, and coat. Apples. Apples provide many important vitamins for dogs, including vitamins A and C. Apples are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate a dog's digestion. However, eating rotting apples can lead to alcohol poisoning in dogs. White rice. Cooked, plain white rice can be a good option for a dog with an upset stomach, as it is easy to digest and helps bind stool. White rice can cause blood sugar levels to rise, however, so dogs with diabetes should only eat it in small amounts. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and plain yogurt, are safe for dogs to have in very small quantities. Eating too much dairy can cause digestive problems. This is because dogs have low levels of lactase, a digestive enzyme that breaks down the sugars in milk. Dogs with lactose intolerance should not eat dairy products. Signs of lactose intolerances include diarrhea or vomiting after consuming anything that contains dairy. Fish. Salmon, shrimp, and tuna are all safe for dogs to eat and good sources of protein. Salmon and tuna are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help keep a dog's immune system, coat, and skin healthy. The B vitamins in shrimp can also help maintain a dog's digestive system and promote healthy blood circulation. It is important to cook fish before feeding it to a dog, as uncooked fish can contain harmful parasites. Chicken. Plain, boiled chicken with no seasoning is a good option when a dog has an upset stomach. Bananas. Dogs can eat bananas in moderation. They are full of magnesium, which is important for good bone health. Due to their high sugar content, bananas should only be an occasional treat for dogs. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a safe, low-calorie snack for dogs, and they can be a good option for those who are overweight. Cucumbers also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K. Watermelon. Watermelon is safe for dogs to eat, but it is important to remove all the seeds first, as these can block the intestines. Chewing on the rind can also cause an upset stomach, so remove this too before giving the watermelon to a dog. Watermelon has a high water content, so it can help keep dogs hydrated. It is also a good source of vitamins A, C, and B6. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.